So today we're going to show you how to hide a mess up on a hide. So this deer was cut pretty bad in the caping process. Lost some hair. We stitched it up. We're going to make this disappear. All you're going to need is some glue, some extra hide, some manscaping tools, and a heavy tool of some sort, something heavy. I'm going to show y'all how to make this disappear. I always keep hide, extra hide around. Like, got a box of it from the belly to the neck to whatever. You're going to just keep that around. Trust me. Because it's going to make stuff like this disappear. Alright? Let me show you. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take that tool or something heavy. And you're going to ease it back in here behind the existing hair. And what that's going to do is pull that hair back. It's going to hold it out your way so you can work. Just about like that. That's where that glue comes in. You come in there and you're going to glue it fairly heavy. And we like to do about a ½ inch or less at a time. That way you can work without rushing. That's where that manscaping comes in. Alright. I'm going to come back here on this hide. I'm going to turn it around too. Alright. And to grab it to where you can properly handle it. Try to get all the loose pieces out. You don't want nothing loose running around. It's going to mess y'all up. You're going to take that. You're going to smear it all in that glue real good. Everywhere you can. We'll tuck it in there. You can kind of pat